Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. It's a reminder vacancy. Name of post is Senior Accounts Officer and Junior Accountant. Their education qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance with 60%. For senior accounts officer, and for junior accountant you should be either a CA inter or CMA inter, then eligible. Here age limit asked is 28 years for both the posts. Number of vacancies are 3 vacancies for accounts officer and 5 vacancies for junior accountant. Here the nature of employment is permanent and you need to have 1 year experience for both the vacancies. Here your package will be in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. It's a basic pay per month, and for junior accountant 22,000 to 80,000. It's a S1 grade for junior accountant. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 29th October 2022. Friends, before we move on to the next slide, I just want to inform you that at Finance MCQ at present all courses are available at flat rupees 499 as a Diwali offer. So do avail this opportunity and purchase your desired course from the Finance MCQ website. Offer is valid till 20th October to 26th October and the coupon code are mentioned in the screen. Kindly use them to get this benefit. The second vacancy is from Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited and name of the post is Management Trainee Finance. Here the qualification asked is graduation degree plus CA or CMA. Upper age limit is 38 years. Number of vacancies are 10 and place of posting is in Odisha only. Nature of employment is permanent. You don't need to have any experience and your pay scale will be in 56,100 to 1,77,500. It's a E3 grade assistant manager post. Your mode of application is online and you have to apply by 11th November 2022. Next vacancy is from National Cooperative Development Corporation. Name of post is Young Professional 2 in Finance. Education qualification asked is CA or CMA. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancies are 4 and place of posting is in New Delhi. It's a contractual post and you need to have 2 years experience in finance, accounts in bank, financial institution or developmental institution. Per month salary is 70,000 to 1 lakh and mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 31st October 2022. Next vacancy is again from the same institute and name of post is Young Professional 1. Education qualification asked is either a MCOM or CA inter or CMA inter. Upper age limit is 35 years. Total number of vacancies are 6. Nature of employment is contractual and no experience required but desirable 1 year experience in finance and accounts. The per month salary will be 20,000 to 40,000 and again it's an offline application and you have to submit it by 31st October 2022. Next vacancy is a reminder vacancy from Airport Authority of India Western Region and here the domicile candidate from Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP and Goa are eligible. Name of post is Senior Assistant Finance. Education qualification asked is BCom with computer training course of 3 to 6 months. Here your articleship experience, articleship ITT training course certificate will not work. It should be computer training course which should be in the range of 3 to 6 months, then only you are eligible. Here age limit is 30 years as on 30th September 2022. Number of vacancies are 12 and place of posting will be in the western region. The nature of employment is permanent and you need to have 2 years of experience and your package will be 36,000 to 1,10,000. It's a basic pay per month. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 14th November 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Mandi. Here name of post is Junior Accountant. Education qualification asked is BCom with minimum 55% or MCom with minimum 55%. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 8 and place of posting is Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Nature of employment is permanent and you need to have 1 year experience for BCom candidate and no experience required for MCom candidates. Package per annum is 5.5 lakh. You have to apply online and last date of application is 20th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Kanpur. Name of post is Junior Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 119 and place of posting is Kanpur. Nature of employment is permanent and Qualification asked is minimum 50% in graduation and you need to have 2 years experience. Package per annum is 4.5 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 9th November 2022. Friend, next vacancy is from Indian Oil Corporation Refinery Division. Name of post is Trade Apprentice Accountant. Qualification asked is BCom. Age limit is 24 years as on 30th September 2022. Number of vacancies are multiple and the place of posting will be in the Refinery Division Office of Indian Oil. It's a contractual vacancy and your duration of apprentice will be 12 months. You don't need to have any experience and you will be paid stipend as per the Apprenticeship Act. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 23rd October. Next vacancy is from National Institute of Fashion Technology, that is NIFT Bhopal. Name of post is Assistant Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is BCom or MCom. Age limit is 27 years. There is one vacancy and place of posting will be in Bhopal. It's a permanent vacancy. And for BCom candidate 2 years experience is required and for MCom candidate 1 year experience is asked. Your package will be as per 6th CPC, which is in the pay scale of 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay of rupees 2,400. It's a basic per month pay and you have to apply both online as well as offline by 31st October 2022. Next vacancy is again from the same institute. Here the name of post is Senior Assistant Accounts. Qualification asked is postgraduate in commerce or ICWA or CA or CS. Age limit is 27 years. Number of vacancies is 1 and again it's in Bhopal only and nature of employment is contractual. It is for short duration period. Experienced asked is 2 years in finance and accounts matters. You will be paid consolidated pay and mode of application is again both online and you have to submit application to them in offline mode also by 31st October 2022. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy interesting and do apply if you find any vacancy which is of your relevance. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.